In this video, I'll show you how to set up a full leveling reward system, providing some examples. I'm also going to explain how to expand or change it further by yourself. The first command block gives each player that has a minimum level of 5 while not having a tag called level_5 and an elytra. More about adding your own levels will follow in a later section of this video. All the Turks command blocks have the settings chain, unconditional and always active, just so you know. Whatever, this next command block gives on sending a message to all players meeting the same requirements as before. Reading, you've reached level 5, earning an elytra. Next, each of said players hears a sound, which in this case is random.level up with a pitch of 0.3. You can go ahead and write a better suiting sound effect into the comments if you wish. Finally, we've reached the end of the chain, and each player that meets the requirements now gets the tag level 5. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I'm not going to do a voiceover for the second row of commands, because it basically is the same with some adjustments. So first of all, we've got the minimum level requirement of 10 for it to work, and then the tag level 10, which prevents the commands from being activated over and over again. And this time the first command triggering all of that is a tag command, which in this case applies a tag I called speed. You can also copy that, but just so you know. So now this is the second command block we need, and it's basically the same one as the second command block of the other chain, but this time it's again the level requirement of 10, and it happens if the player doesn't have a level 10 tag. I hope it's clear so far. The text is different this time, or the message is different this time. Reading, you've reached level 10, you can run faster now. So this plays the same sound as before to each player meeting the new requirements. That's important, but other than that, it's not a big deal. And yeah, that also just changes the requirements and the tag that is applied in the end. I hope you've understood so far. Oh yeah, and before I forget it, if you want to copy that, you also need to copy that command block that just gives each player with a speed tag the speed effect with an amplifier of 4 for 1 second, and that once each tick, so it's permanent. Yeah, so in the next step I'm going to explain to you how to add your own levels. Okay, so now, if you want to add your own leveling reward, then go ahead, copy one of these command blocks. If you want to give an item, just change the items that's given, or occasionally also change the data or amount. Change the level requirement to the level you want to give the reward to, and then also change that tag to level underscore this level you picked for level requirements. Copy the next command, and yeah, enter something that kind of fits what you're doing. Copy the next command, and just, I think, keep this sound, or maybe also add another sound, I don't know. And it's important that you also adjust the requirements and stuff in here. So in the first selector of each command block, and then you add your level requirements here, and the tag of your level requirement, or complementary to your level requirement or whatever here. So let's say I'm gonna make one for level 15. I enter level 15 here and set the requirement to 15. So I'm not gonna do this, I'm gonna break all of these, but yeah, that's how it works. Also, if you want to do this with a tag or something else, like just temporary temporary effects, then enter it here. Enter it here. Then change the command at the beginning to tag, or do something else. I don't know, but yeah, you can probably do some things with that. If you want to know how you can give named and enchanted items also using this technique, then watch the video on the screen.